Hey everybody, we're in the workshop and check out what I have here. I have the TEENO oscillating tool and I'll show you guys what this is and how it works here in a second. It's up. Oh, look at that. Comes with a nice case. It says TEENO on it. And inside of the case we have all our stuff. So we have, this is the instruction manual for it. These are all the accessories and blades. We have the power charger for the battery. We have the battery. Oh, there's the battery. And we have the tool, heavy duty tool. And then we have an extension arm for it if we wanted to put that on there. Look at that. So we could have it on the right or if you go on the left, either side. So there we go. So let's check this thing out here. Let's see what we got. We have this here's the quick release, I guess, for the tools. And we have the battery going back here. So that's it on there. I'm going to take this off. I don't usually use the handle on it. But the accessories now. So it comes with all sorts of stuff. So this is, I usually use a blade either like this or the straight one, but it also has, this one here is like a sanding disc one, so you can put sanding on it. And it comes with all these little sanders as well. And then we have the more traditional cutter blades there. I guess, I don't know, this is just a scraper. I guess that would be good for like scraping gook off the ground and everything. It's kind of cool that it comes with something like that. So let's go ahead and try one of these here. I'll just put on this traditional-ish one here, if I can open it. And if you've used one of these before, you'd know the basics of how it works. Okay, I'm somewhat of a moron. To do it, this was right. You push it this way all the way, and then you can get this off and put a new one on. So that's kind of it right there. So this is what it looks like here. And you've got the oscillating ability there. And we have a speed indicator over here. So we can do it crazy fast. And I can oscillate up and cut into this cardboard box. Super easy. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. So great for trim work or something. I hit the wrong button. I hit the camera button instead of the tool button. You guys probably can't hear me while it's going. But what it's great for, you know, yeah, getting like trim work on the bottom and stuff like that. And then if you wanted to do the sander, you could just push this out and you have to push it all the way. That was the thing I was noticing. You have to do all the way for it to release this little blade here. But then if we wanted to go ahead and put on the sanding disc here, I'll show you that for a second, just because that one's a unique one on here. I haven't seen an oscillating tool with a sanding disc. But then we will put that on there. Oh, look at that. You can aim it however you want. So I'll just aim it a little off to the side. Why not? What the heck? And then we can go and put some of our sanding discs. And it came with a variety of sizes here. It's funny, I'm so cheap when I run out, I always end up just cutting, get the big ones and cut them down. But you got 120, 240, 80. So I'm just gonna put an 80 on here. That's what's on the end and it'll stick on there. And now we have like one of those, a sander. And it sands, it works, it does what it needs to do. So that's pretty cool. So now I've got sawdust all over, but it works. And so how cool is that? So if you needed a oscillating tool, this TEENO one is really nice. Got all sorts of different little grip areas so you can hold it here while you're sanding and stuff. And it's decent center of gravity. It's a little bit back. Probably it's about there is where the center kind of hits. So it's good. And all the different speed settings. I've never really used one with a speed setting. I guess my other one didn't have that. But how cool. I like it. So thumbs up. Very nice.